fish that swallow Uncle Jonah.
Who taught you that?
My uncle told me that the big fish swallow Uncle Jonah.
Anyway, what does your uncle know?
But that is in the Bible.
Shut up! Listen, I studied zoology. There is no way a whale can swallow a human being because it has a small throat.
Anyway, you're my teacher. You know better. But when I go to heaven, I will ask Uncle Jonah.
And what if your Uncle Jonah is not in heaven?
The way you go to hell, you ask him.
Makenjo, you're here.
Hey, good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine, sir. Well done, sir. Thank you, sir. So I came with my CV and other documents.
Okay.
Please, I really need this job.
Definitely, you get the job. Don't worry.
Please help me, sir.
I'm going to talk to my boss, and he'll give you the job.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Emanuela,
very much.
how are you?
Fine.
You're looking good.
Do you remember this uncle? Don't you remember this uncle?
No.
This uncle.
No.
I was wondering.
No, sir. No, sir. How can a small pikin like this not have retentive memory? You want to tell me that you have forgotten this uncle so soon? I will slap you now if you don't remember him. I remember him.
Now, who can tell me the opposite of sorry? You, stand up. What's the opposite of sorry? What's the meaning of that? My friend, sit down! You look like a lizard. Who can tell me the opposite of sorry? You, stand up. What's the opposite of sorry?
Good for you.
What's the meaning of good for you?
If something happened to somebody and you don't want to tell the person sorry, you tell the person good for you.
My friend, will you sit down? Blackface.
Manuela, let's play a game.
Which game?
Question and answer game.
How?
It's simple. I'll ask you one simple question. If you get it, I'll give you this 1,000 naira. But if you don't know the answer, you give me just 100 naira.
I'm not interested.
Emmanuel, you have opportunity to ask your own question. No? If you ask me and I fail it, I will still give you this 1,000 naira. But if I know the answer, you give me just 100 naira.
No.
Emanuela, with this 1,000 naira, you can buy plenty drawing book and even sell it in school. Yes, now.
So, if I ask you a question, I don't know the answer, you give me 1,000 naira.
Yes, but if I know the answer, you give me just 100 naira.
You want to bring out the Igbo girl in me? Okay, now, let's play.
Emanuela.
Wait. But ask me simple question, no. You know I'm a small picking.
Emanuela, what is photosynthesis?
Can I set on Google?
Don't try it to.
Take. I don't know the answer.
Your turn.
If I ask you any question, I don't know the answer, you give me 1,000 naira.
Yes.
Okay. Which bird has 2 legs, 2 hands, 2 wings, and can fly?
Bird.
Yes.
2 legs.
Yes.
2 hands.
Yes.
2 wings.
Yes.
And can fly.
Exactly.
I put myself in trouble.
You can search on Google.
I don't know the answer.
Thank you.
Come. Emanuela, or are you? Which bird has 2 legs, 2 hands, 2 wings, and can fly?
Oh, you're done. You have asked your question. That's your 100 naira. Take. I don't know the answer. I'm not playing again.
Thank you. Emanuela, why did you give only Makenje banana? What about all of us that are here? We're not human beings.
Uncle, see that.
No, wait. What do you mean?
Don't you know that these kids here, they love me more than everybody that is here? Eh? You are doing jealousy. Thank you, yeah.
Success! Even you! You couldn't give your father or your mother banana. Instead, people gave it to Mark.
Uncle Gabriel.
No. I answer him. Have you ever taken these children out before? Is it not me that used to take them out? Success! When your father and your mother don't used to be around, is it not me that used to help you and do your assignment in this compound?
It's you.
Emanuela, is it not me that carry you and go to Australia the other time and bought you plenty things?
Yes, it's you.
Is it not me that used to carry you and go to school sometimes? Success, I think the other day I carry people and go to one hotel like that and you drank water 4,500 naira. Did I do anything to you?
No.
Yeah, jealousy me. Thank you. I love the way you people love me so much, more than others, and you're showing me that you love me. I love you people too. Thank you, yeah. Let some people be there and be jealous in me.
Uncle, do you like the banana?
Yes, I enjoy it well.
Is Obele turning you?
No.
Uncle, is your body doing faint?
No.
Are you having a headache?
No.
Oh, your sausage can bring the other banana.
The banana was only for me.
No, we brought banana for everybody. We kept the banana inside the house and Uncle Jay now spread rat poison inside the house. We thought the rat poison touched the banana, so we decided to come and give you to eat first. So if you die, we will know that it's poisoned. But since he didn't die now, he's safe. Everybody eat banana, he's safe.
Why me?
Uncle, don't worry, yeah? We still love you.